Hey guys, what's up? Yoyo with Ethan here. So, I have a new trick for you. It's called Descend. It looks like this. Actually, a pretty simple trick. It's hard to explain. So, first what you want to do is you want to get into a double or nothing. Then you sort of want to take this string right here that the Yoyo is on, and then just hop right behind, and then you hop like this. You sort of just hop behind the other strings. You hop behind these strings here. Okay, so you just hop behind those until you're in a mount like this. Okay, so just hop. Now, once you get into that mount, what you want to do is you want to, so this loop here, on this first loop here, at the edge of your first finger on your non-throw hand, you want to drop it. And then you're sort of in this gondola-like mount. And then what you want to do is you want to drop this string here on the first finger of your throw hand. And then you're in this sort of false GT. Just drop it. You won't get into a knot. Hopefully. So, if you want to land this trick as consistently as possible, you'll want to put your thumb into this loop and keep the string right on the tip of your first finger, because it's really if it's really choked up like that. Okay, scratch that so much. Okay, so opposite to what I was saying, I winged these, by the way. You want to sort of really choke up on your fingers to have the loops pretty close. And you'll want to have your thumb here too, or else the strings will just clump together and you won't be able to land on that exact string. And then bind, and that's Descend. Now there's another one that I want to teach you too. It's called It's Not That Bad. Looks like this. Oh no, I got a knot. It's not that bad. So I did not get a knot. Look. So how you do that is you sort of get into that mount from Descend, that hopped mount, sort of like how you would do Phantom GT. You hop behind that string and land on that same one. So you'll want to just, hold on, let me do this from a different angle. So, you know this and how hopped? You'll want to just dismount towards the inside and then drop all of the strings. So, here. So, after you've hopped, just drop like that. And then you'll want to drop this string on your non-throw hand first finger like the other one. And then the same thing with your throw hand, like that. And then you've got a knot. Oh well, gotta untie it. Just kidding. This is actually just some sort of false knot. It unties just by tugging. With this trick, it can actually turn into a real knot if you have a lot of string tension. If you have a lot of string tension, the string will wrap around itself and sort of make this a bit harder. And while you have this knot, you could actually just... Okay, sorry. And while you have this knot, you could do some stuff like twirl it around before doing it. This is one of my favorite ones. So I usually use this trick at the end of a combo. And that is descend. And it's not that bad. Because they're not bad tricks. They're not that bad. Ha